Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you and show you why your Shopify brand absolutely needs to use UGC everywhere. And if you're a Shopify store owner looking to skyrocket your conversion rates, boost ad performance, and create social proof that builds genuine, real trust with your customers, then this video is for you. Because today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most powerful tools, one of my favorite tools in e-commerce marketing, user-generated content, otherwise known as UGC. And not only does UGC save you time and marketing dollars, it also increases conversions, it increases return on ad spend or ROAS, and it just makes you more money. So I'm going to break down exactly what UGC is, why it matters, and how you can use it to take your Shopify store to the next level. All right, let's start with the basics. What is user-generated content, or UGC? Simply put, UGC is any type of content, could be photos, could be videos, could be reviews, testimonials, you name it, created by real people rather than, something created by the brand strictly for advertising or for marketing. Could be something like a customer snapping a photo with your product, or a video review wearing your t-shirt, or a social media post tagging your brand. All of these are examples, they're all really powerful examples of user-generated content. And it's pure gold for e-commerce stores. UGC, it's authentic, it's relatable, and that's why it's so powerful. And when potential customers see real people using your products or wearing your products, it builds a lot of trust. And you can think of it this way, a customer photo or a video, it simply has way more credibility than a polished brand's ad because it feels real, it feels unbiased. And studies have shown this, right? 90% of shoppers trust UGC more than branded content. So why is UGC such a big deal for e-commerce stores, especially on Shopify? First of all, it's all about social proof. When shoppers see UGC, they see real people endorsing your brand, which makes your store more trustworthy. This is called social proof. It's incredibly powerful. It's one of the most effective ways to overcome buyer hesitation, to instantly build credibility, even if you're a brand new store. Let's take a moment to look at how UGC specifically impacts some key areas of e-commerce. For one, UGC can seriously boost your ad performance. Return on ad spend, ROAS, right? We're all using paid ads. We could see that our ROAS can shoot up dramatically with UGC. Oftentimes, I've been talking about for a long time at this point, UGC being your most powerful ads. Ads that feature UGC, customer reviews, testimonials, they simply perform better than traditional ads because they feel like personal recommendations. And that obviously resonates a lot more than a traditional ad. Additionally, UGC should be used on landing pages and product pages. You could significantly improve and increase conversion rates. Shopify store owners who integrate UGC on their product pages, such as customer photos, testimonials, reviews, right? They often see conversion rate jumps of up to 200%. So if you think about that, people are going to spend more time on these pages. They're going to feel more confident in making the purchase just because you have UGC on there. It's just super powerful. Can be used literally across all of your landing pages, and it can be used across all of your marketing as well. Now, let's get a bit more specific about the numbers. If you're running ads on platforms like Meta, you're doing your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, adding UGC to your marketing, to your paid ads, can increase your ROAS by as much as 30% or more. Ads featuring customer testimonials or product demonstrations from real users, they're highly effective because they speak directly not only to your viewers' curiosity, removing that ad wall, but they speak to the quality of the product, the look and feel of it, how people enjoy it, how people feel when they're wearing your product. That's super important. And these UGC-based ads, they don't feel like ads. They feel like personal recommendations. And it doesn't stop there. Increased ROAS from UGC can reduce your ad costs over time, meaning you're literally going to make more money with less ad spend. On top of that, adding UGC to your website's product and landing pages is going to increase the conversion rate. We talked about people love seeing that on those decision-making pages. Imagine someone scrolling through your product reviews, seeing pictures of other happy customers using or wearing your product. They're simply much more likely to go ahead and check out and become a customer. And overall, higher ROAS, improved conversion rate, that's just going to boost your overall store profitability. So if you're excited to add UGC to your Shopify store, but you're not sure where to start, don't worry. My partner's Whole Design Studio has you covered. Take a look at this. It's an incredible offer. It's 33% off for 4 videos from 2 content creators. You're getting all the ideation, the writings, the creator sourcing, of course, the video editing, all the creator fees included, and you get a 30-minute video call here as well, the total UGC package. And if you see below the video as well, there's another link. And this is a totally free thing I've been able to get from whole little co-branded offering that we have here. 3 freebies, script template, 101 hook ideas, and what I really love, the Canva ad design templates. All you need to do, put in your email address, totally free over here, perfect for Shopify stores to get started with UGC. Show you over here is what you're gonna get. Look at all these hooks, right? These hooks are super important. This is not just about what type of video, it's about what type of message we wanna send to the viewer to get them to convert into a sale, right? We don't wanna just have 1,000 or 1,000,000 views. We wanna have 1,000 sales, right? We wanna make $1 million, right? We don't want just a video that looks nice. We want one that hooks them and sells them. Same thing over here. Hook, personal problem, product solution. Basically, these templates allow you to apply your product into the UGC template, no matter what you're selling. And then the best part, all of these great UGC templates, these are so powerful. Editable here inside of Canva, really great. You see how we can customize them, and of course you could replace your text, your images, your product, all that great stuff, sized and ready to go for your ads on social. But it's really about this great deal, right? You're getting 4 videos from 2 creators, unlimited email support, that free 30-minute strategy call. They're handling everything with the creator. This is a totally done-for-you service. If you want to leverage the power of user-generated content, if you finally want to see the power of how UGC can help you build your e-commerce brand, you need to use Whole, and you need to get in on this UGC offer. Again, $9.99, 33% off, getting you those 4 videos from 2 creators, 100% ready to go. They do all the work. All you need to do, literally just sign up. You see the link directly below this video. Make sure you also grab those 3 free bonuses over here on the Whole plus Justin Ciener co-branded page. You see both links directly below this video. I really hope this helps you make some money. Make sure you're taking advantage of user-generated content. There's no better way to do it than working with Whole Design Studios. Totally done for you. Get this in your store and watch the power of UGC as you make more money. Hope this helps you out, and I'll talk to you real soon.